So you just opened Shopify and now you're staring at the dashboard like, okay, what do I click without breaking something? That's totally normal. Shopify throws a lot at you on day one. But here is the deal. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to go, what actually matters. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 7 core areas every Shopify sellers must understand. Master this and you are already ahead of most beginners. Let's jump in. Once you log in, this is what you will see. This is your Shopify admin. Think of it like the control room for your store. Everything important lives here. Up top, you will notice these cards. These are basically your store's vital signs, not something to stress over every minute. Just something you check to see how things are going. When someone places an order, it shows up right here. You don't need to refresh, it just appears. And yes, seeing orders pop up like this, it's honestly never gets old. Now look left. This sidebar is your best friend. Here you will see orders, products, customers, analytics, settings, everything important lives here. Alright, see the search bar. This is where you will go when you don't want to click around like a lost tourist. You just type what you're looking for and Shopify takes you straight there. Let me give you a quick tip most beginners miss. Press Ctrl K on Windows or Command K on Mac. This opens Shopify's quick search. You can jump to any order, products or settings instantly. Once you start using this, you won't stop. Also, bookmark your Shopify admin URL. You will be here daily. Now click orders. This is where revenue actually exists. Each order is labeled clearly. If it says unfulfilled, that just means it still needs to be shipped. If it says fulfilled, you are done. Now click into any orders. Here you will see everything in one place. Customer details, what they bought, payment status, shipping information. Alright, to ship an order, you have 2 options. 1. Shopify shipping. Create and print shipping labels directly inside Shopify. Cheaper rates with less headaches. Option 2. External shippings. Ship it your way and then come back and mark it as fulfilled with a tracking number. Once you're confirmed, Shopify emails the customer automatically. Use filters at the top to find orders fast. Now click products. This is your inventory brain. Hit add products. Start with the title. Do not write title randomly. Do not add too many keywords. If you sell t-shirts and if the title is too short like blue t-shirt, this is a bad title. Instead, you should write like this one. Men's cotton crew neck t-shirt navy blue. Now write a featureful product description with adding keywords. Bullet points help a lot here. Here is the shortcut. Click the sidekick icon. Type something like write a comprehensive product description for a handmade ceramic coffee mug and you're done. So if you want changes, tell it. Make it sound premium. Emphasize durability. Mention dishwasher safe. Whatever you want. It rewrites instantly, so you do not have to take a stress. Now comes the most critical part, your product images. Use clear product image from multiple angles. If you don't have photo yet, Sidekick can generate placeholders so your store still looks professional. And for pricing, cost per item is private. Compared price is what customers see when something is on sale. Simple? Always check track quantity. Seriously, don't skip this. This is what stops you from selling stuff you don't actually have. No tracking means overselling. Overselling means refunds. Refunds means unhappy customers. Nobody wants that. Selling different size and colors? Good. Just enable variants and add your options, size, color. Shopify automatically creates all the combinations for you. You don't have to think about it. Now scroll down to SEO. This controls how your product appears on Google. Instead of guessing, ask Sidekick. Optimize this product for SEO. Title, descriptions, metadata done properly in seconds. Remember this, free traffic beats paid ad every time. Now click customers. Every buyer automatically gets a profile. Here you can see order history, total spend, contact info. Now the power moves, segments. You can create groups like VIP customers, repeat buyers, inactive customers. Then Ask Sidekick to write emails separately for that group. This is how one-time buyers turn into repeat revenue. Tag customers early. Future campaigns become 10x easier. Now let's have a look on analytics. Analytics tells you if you are building a business or just playing store. Focus on sales, conversion rate, average order value. If numbers confuse you, ask Sidekick to analyze performance and give actionable steps. Just don't refresh analytics every hour. That's the productivity trap. Alright, next up, click the gear icon. 5 things matters at the start. General, store name, email, currency. Next up, payments. So active Shopify payments plus PayPal. Then shipping. Set simple rates. Taxes, let Shopify auto calculate. Checkout. Add your logo for trust. Do payment and shipping before launch. Seriously, Shopify apps are crazy powerful. But let's be honest, they can also make your head spin. So here is the move. Start small. Don't try to install every app under the sun. Begin with just 2. Email marketing app because you need to actually reach your customer. Product review app. So you are selling something and next the customer will come. He must need to see your previous reviews so that your continuous sales can grow. That's why you also need the review app. Both usually have free plans, so don't stress about cost. Installed? Boom, done. And for some bonus pro tip that actually saves you headaches later. Grab the Shopify mobile app so you can check your store anywhere, anytime. Bookmark the help center because trust me, you will need it. Export your store data every month as a backup. Keep your store simple. Forget flashy chaos. Complex doesn't equal profitable. Simple works, simple sales. Let Shopify do the heavy lifting while you focus on making money. That's the Shopify foundation. You are no longer guessing, you are operating. Start slow, learn one Shopify section at a time. Momentum beats perfection. We can scale up your Shopify business and you can earn a 7-figure. Just send us an email at info@ecomclips.com and we will get back to you ASAP. If this video helps you, why not subscribing to Ecomclips? We break e-commerce down so it actually makes sense. Drop your biggest Shopify question in the comment. That's how we decide what to cover next. Now go build something real. See you in the next episode. Peace.